Hi, today I'm making double chocolate muffins. So I wanted to try this recipe that I had found that had this really chocolatey muffin, and it looked incredible, and it was incredible. So we're going to begin with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 room temperature eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cups of sour cream, and a half a cup of milk. Now the last 2 ingredients are 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips. So in a bowl, we're going to combine the brown sugar and the all-purpose flour to start mixing the dry ingredients. So we'll add the cocoa powder. We'll go ahead and add the salt, the baking powder, and the baking soda all into the dry ingredients mixture. We're going to also add to that mixture the chocolate chips. Okay, so we'll combine all those dry ingredients and we'll add the 1 3/4 cups of chocolate chips and set that aside. Okay. Next, in another bowl, we're going to start to combine our wet ingredients. So we will combine the sour cream, the milk, the 2 eggs, as well as the vegetable oil, all in a bowl and mix those together. We'll definitely add the vanilla, and again, just combine those ingredients. Once they're all combined, we will then add the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, and we're going to just fold that in. You'll notice that the batter starts to thicken. The sour cream kind of makes the batter a little thicker, and we'll just make sure that everything is at least mixed well. And I have decided to use a little larger muffin tin. So this is not the normal 12-cup muffin tin. So my chocolate muffins are larger. I'm spraying my muffin tin with Baker's Joy. That's going to make it for an easy release. And then I'm just transferring the batter into the muffin tin. I have two tins, so I actually can make 12 muffins at one time. I placed the muffins into a fairly hot oven. I preheated it at 425. And I baked the muffins at 350 degrees. And used a toothpick to test their doneness after about 30 minutes and served them. Gave some to my neighbors, and they were well received.